part 2. Look at that. And let's mix it. Let's just be careful because it's gonna pop. Yeah, it's gonna fall, guys. Let's try one. This is the face. Wow. Yummy. Mm. It's popping. Let's try the green. This one. In the camera it's look pink, but in here it's green. Let's try it. Joke lang. Wait. Guys, wait. So guys, I will just change and I'll see it. Wait. I just changed. Let's try my family. It's the taste. Wait. My mother's going to taste. Yummy? Oh, it's yummy, guys. Yeah. So my grandma's gonna try. Namit? Namit? So my tita's gonna try. It's gonna pop in your tongue.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I think I love it. Uy! Nakahulog.
Yummy?
Yum. Wait. Yum. I love it. Thanks.
This is my going to try. Oh, she don't like it. And my mom's gonna try again because she love it. She eats.
It's so yummy. So delicious.
Wait.
8.
I'm gonna try this green because I don't try this.
Gusto kong makasagot sa lahat ng tao. Mas maganda.
Mm.
Marami na akong kaaway. Hindi ko
I love the green.
kailangan kong kaibigan. Ewan ko ba? Kahit hanggat maaari. Ako, ang habol ko ay stability,
Only the popping candy left.
Lagi
I can eat it. See you at part 3. I'll eat this part 3.
Any approach